নমস্কাৰ ৱেলকাম টু মাই চেনেল ইজি টু সলভ আজি আসাম হিষ্ট্ৰীৰ 200 কুৱেশ্যন সিৰিজৰ 4 নম্বৰ পাৰ্টটো লোৱা হৈছে আশা কৰোঁ আপোনালোকে ভিডিঅ'টোৰ পৰা উপকৃত হ'ব আজিৰ প্ৰথম কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে নেম দ্য ফৰেইনাৰ হু recorded in his account that he came to Kamolupo. Option B, Yuan Shang. Option B, Dorangraj Vanshavali is by. Option D, Balladev Surjagari Doibojana. King Vishwasingha's father was. Option C, Harya Mandal. Who was the progenitor of the Koches? Option A, Harya Mandal. Raghudev was the son of. Option C, Harya Mandal. In which year the Battle of Saraighat was fought? Option B, 1671. During the Kamrupa King Bhaskar Burman's period, the officer who was in charge of royal treasury was known as. Option A, Pandaraga Radhigara. Option A. The Battle of Saraighat was fought between. Option B, Ahoms and Mughals. Option B. What is the name of the grandmother of Shankardev? Option C, Khairati Hoy. Which Mughal general invaded Ahom kingdom and occupied Gorgao? Option A, Mirzumala. In 1563, the Treaty of Majoli was settled between the Koch king Narnarayan and Ahom king. Who was the Ahom king? Option D hoy Sukampa. Which Pal king built Sri Durjaya as the capital on the bank of Brahmaputra? Option B, Ratnapal. Which Ahom king excavated the Jayagate in memory of his mother Jayamati at Rangpur? Option C, Rudrasingha. Which of the following is the great work of Shankardev? Option A, Kirtan Khokha. Harya Mandal, the father of first Koch king Vishwasingha, originated from which village of Gwalpara district? Option D, Siknabari. Option D. In 1897, who translated the Barga copper plate of Ratnapal? Option A, Dr. Hamle. Option A. Which Ahom king created the post of the Borphukan for the first time? Option C. Pataminoy. The gift Yuan Shang escaped from Bhaskar Burman was designed to protect one from and cold. What was it? Option B, Holali. Option B. Which Ahom Swargadev created the post of Bolpatra Gokhai? Option C, Sudangpha. Option D, Suhungmung. Option D hoy in Siuki by Yuan Shang described that the circumference of Kamrupa was about. Option A, 1700 miles. 1700 miles hoy. The Persian chronicle Fatya-i-Abriya was compiled by. Option D, Shahabuddin Talis. In which year the king Narnayan died? Option A 1587. The 350 miles long old Gokhaigamal Ali connects to Coast Bihar with option C Narayanpur. Ratnamala compiled by Purvottam Vidyavagis is a work on option D grammar. In which year was the Treaty of Gilazari Ghat signed? Option A 1663. Bhaskar Burman issued the famous Nidhanpur copper plate granted after the battle. Option B Karna Subarna. Which Ahom Swargadev was built the Temple of Umananda? Option C Gadadharinga. Which of the following was the famous for astrology? Option A Pragjyotispur. Which Ahom king was popularly known as Bamonikar? Option D হয় Sudangpha. In 1585, Koch Kingdom was visited by an English traveler. What was his name? Option B Ralph Fitz. Option B. In the Battle of Saraighat 1617 between Ahoms and Mughal, the Ahom army was commanded by Lasit Borphukan, who was the commander of Mughals. Option A Ramingha. Famous Kamrupi poet Hemsarati was a court poet of Komotapur's king. Option D Durlabh Narayan. In January 1663, Treaty of Gilazari Ghat was signed by Ahom with the Mughal commander. Option C Mirzumala. The Pushpavati temple inscription in Nepal refer to Kodradi Kalinga Sarabhati. Who was he? Option A Sri Harsadev. According to Ramayana, Amurtaraj was the founder of the kingdom of option A Pragjyotisha. এই কোৱেশ্যনটো দুবাৰ আহিছে অপশ্যন এ হয় Pragjyotisha. The well-known Kamrupi poet of 16th century Chandraharati lived at option D North Guwahati. During Bhaskar Burman's reign, the major industry in Kamrup was option A boat building. Who first introduced the cremation of the dead among the Ahoms? Option B Phuleshwari Gauri hai. Who first introduced the cremation of the dead among the Ahoms? Option B Phuleshwari Gauri. দুবাৰ আহিছে এইটো তাৰ বাবে সৰি Tharpita considers the term used by Ahom to the option C হয় Kosari king. Boralora is a little conferred upon great fighter. Ismail Khaji conferred it on whom? Option D Raja of Kamrupa. Saitini was the last queen of option C Sutia king. Which Ahom king built the Thodorali? Option B হয় Gadadhar সিংহ Thodorali সাজাইছিলে. Which dynasty made their capital at Maibong? Option C, Kosaris. Shivasingha declared his chief queen as Barraja, who was she? Option A, Phuleshwari. The Gokhaigamal Alif built during the region of Nornarayan Ranch from Option B, Kosbihar to Narayanpur. What was the similarity among Hem Saraswati, Kaviratna Saraswati and Harihar Vipra? Option B, all were Kamrupi poets. Option B. The language used in the inscription of the Ahom kings was Option A হয় Sanskrit. Option A. In which year the Mughals attacked Ahom kingdom for first time? Option D, 1615. What is the staple crop in ancient Assam? Option C. আজি শেষৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে Chandibar was the great grandfather of whom? Option B, Shankardev. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Easy to Solve. ধন্যবাদ।